I'm Tony the Tech Guru. In an uncertain world, preparedness is paramount, and having the right survival gadgets can make all the difference. Whether you're an experienced prepper or simply looking to enhance your emergency readiness, you don't need to break the bank to acquire essential tools. In this article, we'll explore a curated list of survival gadgets under $100 that offer both affordability and functionality. From versatile multi-tools to compact fire starters, these budget-friendly options ensure you're well-equipped to handle unexpected challenges without draining your wallet. Number 1. Survival laces. How can you enhance laces for hikers, hunters, fishermen, and other adventurers, according to a scene from the USA? You can achieve this by adding paracords to the regular nylon laces. They've also cleverly holed a fishing line, a strand of tinder, and a ferrocerium rod inside each shoelace. These upgraded laces are available for $15 per pair, and you can choose from various lengths, ranging from 122 to 213 centimeters. Alternatively, for additional $6, you can get a 122 centimeter cord designed for hoodies and sweatshirts. Number 2. Kodiak Survival Bracelet. Don't be fooled by cheap knockoffs, especially when your survival may be in question. In a survival situation, you will most likely need fire and food. This is when you want the real deal. The Kodiak contains our patent-pending EverSpark buckle to provide you with the ability to create fire in your time of need. The ferro rod in this buckle is thick and strong. The striker plate is made from high-gloss hardened stainless steel, which will not only hold up for thousands of strikes, but can also be conveniently used as a reflector to signal help. A steel number 8 bait hook is braided into your bracelet, providing you with the means to catch your next meal. Our custom USA-made survival paracord contains 2 strands of 20 braided fishing lines, as well as 1 strand of jute, which is an excellent fire tinder. In addition, the paracord has 7 strands of nylon inside for binding, lashing, or a myriad of other uses. The paracord sheath is great as a rope substitute. Don't trust your survival to anyone but the best. Insist on the Kodiak by Outdoor Element. Number 3. Pro Knot Tying Kit. This complete knot tying kit includes everything you need to learn and practice how to tie 23 essential rope knots. The 6-card, 12-page waterproof plastic card set contains 23 best all-purpose rope knots, clearly illustrated and described, bound together with a no-rust brass grommet in the corner. Number 4. MS5 Everyday Carry Survival Kit. Made from the highest quality materials, this Everyday Carry Camping Essentials Kit contains items and features that can help save your life if you find yourself lost, separated, or in a desperate situation away from society, all within a minimal size, with a wooden box that can even be used as tinder. Everything fits into your choice of metallic blue, leather, or carbon fiber finish container and can include, some items are optional, a USB charger or GPS tracker, a water filter, a knife, and fishing tackle, including hooks, floats, line, and a sinker, a magnesium stick, a USB drive to store important documents, sewing needles and safety pins, an arrowhead that can be used to make a spear, hexagon heads, a wire saw, 30 feet of 550 paracord, and more, including the supplemental folding grill in some kits. The EDC is incredibly small and can fit in your pocket and act as a phone holder for your table, car, or anywhere you go. Number 5. Exotac Match Cap. The Exotac Match Cap Waterproof. Match case is a vital survival tool due to its ability to keep matches dry in harsh conditions. Its waterproof design ensures that you can start a fire even in wet environments, providing essential warmth, light, and the means to purify water. Fire is crucial for cooking, signaling, and staying warm in emergency situations, making this match case an indispensable addition to any survival kit or outdoor adventure. Its durability and compact size further enhance its importance, as it can be easily carried in a pocket or attached to gear for quick access when needed. Number 6. SureFire G2X Tactical Flashlight. The G2X Tactical is a compact yet powerful polymer body flashlight designed specifically for tactical use, providing simplicity of operation and tremendous illuminating power in a small package. It uses a high-efficiency LED, virtually immune to failure since there's no filament to burn out or break, to generate a brilliant, penetrating, perfectly pre-focused 320 lumen beam. The G2X is activated by a tactical tail cap click switch, the same type used on many SureFire weapon lights for years. Partially press for momentary on. Press further until it clicks for constant on activation. The tough nitrolon polymer body is smoothly sculpted for a comfortable, secure grip and resists scratches, abrasion, and corrosion. A polycarbonate micro-textured reflector delivers a comparatively wider beam with generous peripheral light. Number 7. Gerber Gear MP 600. This version of the multi-lock has Fiskars scissors and the jigsaw blade adapter. Gerber multi-lock has one of the best combinations of features and safety available on the market today. Each component opens independent of any other, locks tightly against a roll bar for increased support, and stays tight until you unlock it. It is the only tool that offers a dual locking Safety Plus system. Multi-lock incorporates Gerber's patented one-handed opening feature along with 17 others. The adaptable toolkit allows the user to add a multiplicity of quarter-inch tool bits via the unique coupling system. Number 8. SOG Tactical Tomahawk. The Tomahawk is a lightweight yet heavy-duty multi-use axe designed for the tactician as well as the practical user. A great breaching axe, camping axe, and backpacking axe with a versatile ballistic nylon carry sheath. Use the Tomahawk at home, in camp, and on the trail, and rely on it as a utility axe for breaching, evacuation, and obstacle removal. Its compact size and multifunctional design make it a valuable addition to survival kits, offering both utility and self-defense capabilities in emergency situations. Number 9. T-Rex Tape. The T-Rex ferociously strong. Tape is a crucial survival tool due to its exceptional strength and durability. Designed for any situation or project, T-Rex heavy-duty tape is ideal for homeowners, craftsmen, and outdoorsmen who demand the highest quality tools. Unlike ordinary duct tapes, this ferociously strong adhesive tape is built for intense holding power so you can tackle long-lasting repairs, DIY projects, or the task at hand easier and quicker. Its aggressive double-thick adhesive is what gives this cloth tape the ability to stick to rough, dirty surfaces through all weather types and temperatures. Whether it's around the home or on the job site, T-Rex tape will hold longer and stronger than regular duct tape, making it ideal for any project, big or small. Number 10. Radna. Every year in the U.S., countless nature enthusiasts go hiking and sometimes find themselves lost. Unfortunately, not all of these stories have a happy ending when you add the number of lost children and pets in the country. It becomes clear why this rescue device was created and who it's designed for. It combines a LEOSA or GEOSA satellite beacon with a GPS tracker and is powered by a built-in 3,000 milliamp-hour battery as well as a solar panel. You can carry the device conveniently on a special belt, which comes with handy additions like paracord and a fire starter kit. There's also a smaller version for pets that can be attached to their collar. In conclusion, Being prepared for unforeseen circumstances doesn't have to come at a high cost. The survival gadgets we've highlighted in this video demonstrate that affordable options are readily available to help you weather any storm. So, gear up wisely, stay prepared, and face the future with resilience and resourcefulness.